Today we're going on the Krispy Ride out in Auburn, going up to Washington, California. And then from there we'll go rip from Washington down through North Lake, back down home. And then tomorrow is the cycle swap. So it's a weekend full of fun. Sheesh. We made it. Down here.
I have a
pair of nice shovels.
I'm just gonna end up going back to ape hangers.
They're pretty tough, dude.
Fucking sick. These stands is so fucking nice.
Yeah, it's like really good. None of us.
Nobody's.
It's a nice bike, for sure. Life is a highway. I wanna ride it all night long. Denny, this is Dennis's bike. Thanks for still keeping the sticker alive. Dude, this is probably my favorite bike, hands down, ever. This thing is so sick. So tooth. Lane split. Claw. That paint is sweet, dude. Oh, it looks like it. It looks really rad, though. Did you do it yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah. Even better.
I can't afford for other people to do the work for me.
Whoa. What are your pegs made out of? Is that
they're stainless steel core. I made those too.
Those are sick.
They're stainless steel core with brass and what's it called?
Like resin or something?
It's basically resin. It's
that's rad.
some sort of acetate thing. But yeah, it's pretty much just fucking resin.
Yeah, that's great. Nice little pieces, dude.
Thank you.
Baggers. Baggers! Oh. PM fucking master, that's sick. Oh, thank fuck, dude. I would have.
You just keep riding fast.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. Oh my god. Bro, yeah. My anxiety, if my anxiety wasn't spiking already, you know? This thing's sick. Little boulevard.
Yeah, I'd love to. I like the family. No, we'll put. This is just like a lot of yeah, I'm so how long is it? Good. How are you? Hello. She didn't say where. Yeah. What she was working. You were busy.
I don't want.
Sounds like fun.
Yeah, exactly.
I have something in my eyes. So. When you see, I don't know whose bike is this. It's great. You see this? If you ain't trying to fuck, then why are you looking at my top? So good.
I mean, it's a valid point, yeah.
Totally.
But there's other
I love those little mufflers like that, little cocktail shakers. Things are sick.
That's like the whole thing.
Yeah, that's nice. What is that?
Oh, this is one of the crispy bikes.
You know whose bike this is? The middle one here? The second one? The second one, I believe. Yeah, gal. I bought that one. Yeah, you're right. Oh, no, it wasn't the thing. Well, go on. So yeah, because it was like, no, this is for I don't know. But I put on the top. You can see when you take
That kind of reminds me of your sissy bar a little bit.
Yeah, I was just feeling Sunni. I wish I thought about it.
A little fucking slash.
Yeah.
That's pretty hype.
Scary.
Oh, look at his switches, dude. That thing is sick. I love that. Let me get a close up of that.
Underneath like a little satchel.
Dude, this thing's tough. Holy shit. Couple more bikes over here.
Like, that was the only thing I had to figure out. I was like, alright, he said, like a fucking 2x4, so I don't fuck him through him. And then play up going in on the other side, pops the bead, and I'm like, oh, hey, why not? Correct.
Whoa.
Usually people end up kind of splitting into the two packs. You get like at least 3 of them, right? You got the hot rodders, the fucking normies, and then you got, I got
Uh-oh. That's not good.
coming from a white guy, it doesn't make sense for me to say that. Yeah. You'll see when it gets there. Oh, you're gonna be like, that's, if you want to know how you look, he's got a good look. You guys look exactly the same. That's what I usually get. They're like, I know you. I'm like, no, I'm just a red-bearded, tattooed guy with a bald head and Ray-Bans. I'm like, it's a fucking, I'm in a genre.
Genre.
We just all look the same. Yeah, everybody does.
What What's up? We went to the gas station to get some snacks and we just came back and the ride is leaving. So
Hey, we're on Tahoe time.
yeah, this is Tahoe time for sure. And I gotta go back to the gas station because I left my fucking Gatorade and my water bottle there.
What?
Yeah.
You bought a Gator and just left it there?
Yeah, it's on the curb out front. I don't know what I was thinking.
Oh, that tastes so good.
Hey man, that's what I'm saying. You leave the bike the way it was, nothing breaks. Except for that starter ignition. And that one out.
Taillight.
Oh yeah, the taillight fell on. Hey, that's not my fault that fucking. You don't need. I mean, the light's still there. You don't need the cover, right?
Yo, let's go. No, you don't need
The little
cover.
red tape on it?
So, bike won't start. We're here at the river for the Krispy ride, and the very last leg of the trip, my Sportster just kind of started dying. So, well, no idea.
Thanks, Ted. Hey, could you give me a loan? You'll never see me again.
I know.
No worries.
I appreciate that.
It's gonna be all rumbling, and then I like realized it was recording.
See what we can do here.
Marauder.
Season. By
Really?
myself. That's
Wow.
fun.
Oh, look at you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's pretty rough, man.
They don't plow these roads?
No, of course not. There's so many trees that drop. It just, yeah. Nice blade. Yeah.
You need to charge. Oh, maybe not.
Yeah. It should boost.